yesterday late night that some antisocial elements have blackened the Mgnrega board for Maithili Fishery Pond. We immediately dispatched magistrate yesterday to have a word with the people to show presence from the administration side. Simultaneously, as of now, we have already taken it up with the counterpart district administration to make sure that the culprits are brought to book. Those who are trying to bring or disturb the social harmony over there, they should be brought to book, and so that there is no untoward incident in the future as well. So the peace committee is working. They have already had 1-2 meetings so far, but always, in fact, these are the incidents which show that the peace committees are working, because those who have vested interest in maintaining and in not allowing peace to come over, they are trying to do these type of things so that the peace committee becomes unsuccessful. But then whatever local disputes over there, whatever developmental issues over there are, we are trying to coordinate with this peace committee so that all these stakeholders are taken into account. Registered their grievance, and they have also submitted their petition to not just DC office but also to the government of Meghalaya. And as per their wishes, the government of Meghalaya is currently having discussion with the government of Assam as well. For me to be able to speak on this matter would be quite premature, as this is a matter of ongoing discussion between two states. Repeatedly, the moment we got information, we anticipated that it might lead to heightened up emotions. Some people might take an advantage and create social disharmony over there. So we have dispatched police. In fact, from Assam side also, they have dispatched police, and as of now, police presence is there from both sides.